Come on, we're gonna pour the coffee carefully, okay? It's hot. And that's good. Now mix it, stir it.
Mix, mix, mix.
Hello everyone, this is Autism Maitha. In today's video, we are teaching LJ how to brew and prepare coffee. So this is independent living skills, and it could also be work or job skills that we could train him with.
Easy, gentle. You need LJ. What do you call that thing?
This might be an easy task, but this simple activity could target a lot of our goals.
Coffee
Maker.
filter.
Filter.
Yeah, I just need one. I think you got too much here. Look. Just one. Wait. We just need... Can you take it? Yeah, just one. There's two on that. Look. Just take it off. There, see? Yan, I just need one filter. Okay. Now let's put water first. I need 4 cups. Here. I need 4 cups of water. Look at the line. You see the line on the side, LJ? You see the line?
Yeah.
A little bit more up to here. And then, if we have 4 cups of water, how many teaspoons of coffee?
1.
4? Not over here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good.
Woody.
Good job. Now close it. And press the button. The power on. Yeah, good job.
Yeah.
Okay, look. This is large and small.
Small.
Yeah, which one is large? Which one is the large cup? Coffee cup.
Red.
Very good. Which is the small?
The white.
Good. What's this one?
Sugar. And sugar.
Creamer.
Yes.
Creamer. Where's small? Very good. Where's large? Good. This is creamer. This is sugar. Where's creamer? Good. Where's sugar? Nice. So here, okay. This is our order. For our large cup, we need 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1, okay. And 4 creamer. 4 creamer over here on the large. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. And then right here on the small, we need 1 teaspoon sugar.
1 teaspoon sugar.
Yep. And then 3 creamers. 1. Here, creamer. 2, 3. Very nice. Come on, we're gonna pour the coffee carefully, okay? It's hot. And that's good. Now mix it. Stir it. Stir.
Mix, mix, mix. Mix,
Ooh,
mix.
easy. Gentle. Oopsie.
On top of the cake. Just like that. On top of the cake. Just like that.
Are you copying, Mom?
You like Shrek cake?
And then we put this back over here.
Thank you so much for joining us today. And thank you so much to our viewers and subscribers. We finally reached our first 100 subscribers. So please keep on supporting us by sharing, liking, and make a comment down below. And always remember, be aware, be understanding, and be kind.